In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a checklist in Notion. If you want a simple way to track tasks, action items, or reminders inside your workspace, a checklist in Notion is one of the easiest tools to use. It's quick to create, easy to update, and perfect for everything from daily planning to project management. To get started, go to your Notion page. This can be an existing page where you're already taking notes, planning a project, or organizing information. You can also do this on a blank page if you want to create a checklist from scratch. The main idea is to place your cursor exactly where you want the checklist to appear. Once you're on the page, type a / on your keyboard and then type to-do list. In Notion, the / opens the command menu, which is a fast way to insert different types of content blocks. As you type, Notion will automatically filter the results and show matching options. This is a helpful shortcut to remember because it saves time and makes building pages much easier. When you see to-do list in the filtered results, click on it. Notion will then insert a checklist block onto your page. This block is designed specifically for tasks, so each line will include a checkbox that you can tick off when the item is complete. It's a clean and practical format, especially if you want a visual sense of progress as you work through your list. Now you can add your first item. Simply type the name of the task or reminder you want to include. Keep your wording clear and specific so your checklist is easy to follow later. After entering the first item, press enter on your keyboard. Notion will automatically move you to a new line and create another checklist item for you. From there, you can continue adding as many items as you need, one line at a time. As you build your list, try to keep each item short and actionable. That makes the checklist more useful and easier to scan. If you're using it for a larger project, this can also help you break work into smaller, manageable tasks. And that's all it takes to create a checklist in Notion. Once your list is in place, you can come back anytime to check off completed items and keep everything organized in one spot.